Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a flip through of the Silhouette Journal. This is a design team project for Tracie Fox using her Silhouette kit. And so you've seen me working on this, so we'll just do the whole flip through and you'll see the whole thing. So, excuse me. When I sewed the signatures on, I left the strings to the outside, put on a little wooden charm that I had made and some other little sort of nature themed charms. So that is there. And then I have this beautiful trim closing it up that was gifted to me. And all of these beautiful ribbons that make up this cover are from Eve at the Snippet Shop on Etsy. And I just sewed them on, and then there's fabric on the inside. I've had a request to do a tutorial on how I made this cover, so I think I may be making another one. So we'll probably do that together so that you can see how I made this. But without going into that too much, let's look at the book. So I used the Silhouette papers, that kit from Tracie, but I used a variety of her other kits as well. I think Vintage Garden, collage kit, probably some tag kits, label kits, various things, but all from Tracie. So go over and have yourself a little shop on her channel, or her channel. Watch her videos on her channel, but shop on her Etsy. So there's an inside pocket, and I've used one of Tracie's images and added some texture to it and stuff on the pocket. Then this is just a little envelope here with a flip out that was collaged, and then you can write on the back. So that's in the first pocket. This is one of the pockets from the kit. This is a T card from one of Tracie's T card digitals. Here is a journaling card made out of some of Tracie's other digitals. And this word is from, she's also got words on her Etsy. You need to check that out. This is a collaged envelope that was inspired by Tracie. She was doing these, and so I worked on that. This is one of the trims from my shop. This is from Tracie's shop, and this came to me in Happy Mail and was just a perfect journaling card to slip in the side there, and then that goes in the back of that pocket. This is one of my eco-dyed papers. This is an original. And then I have on this side the fabric flip. This is eco-dyed fabric here. And then I've just created a little collage on the top. This is one of Rosemary Morris's eco-dyed papers. Again, this is Rosemary, I believe. A couple of pockets from Tracie's kits and some journaling little tags to journal on the back. And those just slip right in here. And this one in here. Okay, and then the eco-dyed paper again. And one of Tracie's beautiful digitals. This side has a book page pocket. I have one of her envelopes kind of tucked across the top here of the bottom pocket. This I received in Happy Mail. And this was one of the digitals with the kit. And then this is one of Tracie's tags that came with the kit. And this little piece of ephemera was from a different kit. I'm not sure what. This was from a different kit. And I just thought it looked nice at the top. And then here we have a coffee dyed index card that slides in the side pocket here for a little extra journaling space. And then Once again, one of Rosemary Morris's eco-dyed papers. There are tabs that are made from the trims that were used on the cover. Another one of my eco-dyed papers. And this one, I think, was from Angelique. So different people's eco-dyeing in here. Here's a lovely pocket that I ordered on Etsy. I'm not going to remember the shop's name right now. Let's see. I think it might have been Scrappy Bird. I think so, but I'm not positive. So if I've misspoken, please correct me in the comments. Here is a journaling card that was made with one of Tracie's digitals there. One of my eco-dye papers, little birdie page that is in German. That I'm sure I got from Eve as well. And then this is a time card, little pocket or tuck. This was from Happy Mail. And this is from Tracie, a garden to walk in, an immensity to dream in. What more could we ask? And I made it into a little pocket and put one of Tracie's digitals there. And then these two are Tracie's digitals, and I've just tucked those in there. This is a pocket that Rosemary Morris eco-dyed, and then I have a journaling card as well in there that she eco-dyed. So this little pocket is a tag that I made from one of Tracie's digital tags. These are her words, her label, and then it's just sewn around and backed with coffee dyed paper. Eco-dyed paper there. This is the silhouette kit. I put it in the middle, and I printed the silhouette kit and background pages on the back as well. But a lot of room for journaling in this book for sure, as you can see. A little decoupage napkin, another pocket from Tracie with tea card, and this one has another one of the envelopes. This is from Tracie, as is this and this and this. So just use bits and pieces from her other kits to create those. This was from Happy Mail. Just went perfectly with this book. It was so fun. Okay, eco-dyed. Here's an eco-dyed pocket. Another journaling card. This was an eco-dyed piece from Rosemary Morris that I just tucked in there. I liked the color and the contrast there on that page. Here's the birds again. Another one of those fun pockets and a journaling card. Eco-dyed with the tab. Some more eco-dyeing just all through this book. Here is just a little tuck that we made for this journaling card. Little Tim Holtz action on that one. And it has a little pocket here that has a few things in it. It has little bits from Tracie's kits and an envelope. So just tuck that right in there. And this is one of Angelique's eco-dyed. She eco-dyed a sack, and we made a big journaling card to go in that with some of Tracie's digitals. And then there's journaling space on the back. So that just slips in there. This is also a tuck behind as well. Belly band with yet another collaged journaling card. So that goes in there. This little envelope has one of Tracie's digitals and one of her labels, and I stamped the word kind there. So it's one of the straw paper envelopes. So just did that, and then I curled the paper clip just for fun. Oops. And then there's my little Created by Gail that tucks in there. Then the back pocket has this big journaling card in it. There's room on the front and the back for journaling. So that's the Silhouette journal. This journal will be listed in my Etsy on Wednesday, which would be, let's see, it would be May 15th. So I will get the listing ready for this. It will be Wednesday, May 15th. I'm going to say let's list it at 10 a.m. I need to write that down just so I remember. May 15th, 10 a.m. and that would be Mountain Time. And then I will have my shop listed below. It's cinnamon tea. And so if you're interested in this journal, you can pop on over on Wednesday. So thanks everybody so much for watching. This journal was so much fun to make, and Tracie's digitals are they're just so versatile. If you haven't treated yourself to one of Tracie's digitals, you need to do it. You need to do it. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll just see you next time. Bye-bye.